Hello, this is Safo. Welcome everyone to the final mini project of our intermediate MATLAB image processing series. In this video, we're going to combine everything we learned so far and build a simple but complete system that can detect shapes and color inside an image. This project identifies circles, square, and triangles, and it also recognizes their color red, green, or blue. Our goal is very clear: generate or load an image that contains several colored shapes, segment the object, analyze each region, and detect the shape, detect the color, and visualize the final result on the image. Okay, now let's go to MATLAB and walk through the code step by step. Here, we started by generating a synthetic test image. This ensures the code always works even if no external file is provided. Okay, here we created a white background with the size 400 by 600 pixels. Mesh grade gives us X and Y coordinates so we can draw a shape mathematically. Okay, here red circle, this is the equation of a circle. Every pixel inside the radius becomes a part of the mask. Then we paint the region red. Here green square. Here we created a square by checking whether each pixel lies inside the rectangle. And blue triangle. For triangle, we use in polygon here, okay, which test if points fall inside the polygon. And section 2 here, convert to binary. We convert the RGB image to grayscale and threshold it to find objects. White background becomes 0 and darker areas, the shapes become 1. We also remove all small noise using BWA ribbon. Okay, and section 3 here, we label each connected region and extract its properties using region props here. For every object, we store its area, perimeter, centroid, bounding box, and pixel indices. And section 4, loop through each object here. We now loop over all detect objects one by one. Okay. And here, to classify the shape, we compute circularity. A perfect circle has circularity equal to 1. Let's go for around 0.6 to 0.8. Triangles are usually less than 0.6. And here, based on this value, we label each object as a circle, a square, or triangle. And color detection here. Okay, to detect color, we simply compute the average red, green, and blue intensities inside the object. And here, okay, whichever color channel has the highest mean value become the detect color. And here we draw a yellow bounding box around each object. And we also print the detect color and shape at its center. And here, finally, MATLAB prints how many objects were detected and labeled. Okay, once we run the code, we get this final annotated visualization. Each object is detected, labeled with its color and shape, and highlight on the image. And that completes the final mini project of the intermediate MATLAB image processing. You know how to segment object, analyze region, detect shapes, and recognize colors. Skills that from the foundation of computer vision. Okay, in the next playlist, the advanced level, we take everything a step further, from advanced segmentation to contour analysis, feature extraction, machine learning, and full end-to-end project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next series.